Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need Node, JS, and a package manager. Install the LTS release and confirm versions. Once done, initialize the project with npm init to create package, JSON, and make a src folder with index. JS so your code is organized. Make a quick choice of framework. Use Express for straightforward APIs, Fastify when you need speed, or stick to plain Node for tiny services. You'll also pick a module system, common JS or ES modules, so imports and exports behave predictably as you build. Now implement the server. Define routes, move request handling into controllers, and add middleware for logging, parsing, and error handling so responsibilities stay clear. Make sure to load environment variables with dotenv and protect secrets. Switch behavior with node env. Connect to your database using the appropriate driver or an ORM, MongoDB driver, PG for PostgreSQL, or Prisma for typed models. Once the data layer is wired, write async handlers with try/catch and centralize error responses to keep the API reliable. Finish by adding automated tests, unit tests with Jest and integration tests with Superdist, and wire them into CI so regressions catch early. Deploy using a container or platform, build a Docker image, or push to Heroku, Versal, or AWS with environment config and health probes. Monitor logs and expose metrics. Set restart policies for resilience. If your app crashes, check environment mismatches first. Missing env vars or wrong DB URL often cause failures. Then reproduce locally with the same env to iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.